Guys, hello everybody, how you guys doing? Yeah, I'm just coming back from my evening routine, and let me take one share so that we can just it here. I'm just coming back and I just decided to do it over here because yeah, because the kids are upstairs, because I'm getting message these days concerning how somebody you can easily get your watch hour. Okay, so guys, let me see that here as we'll be gisting together. Yeah. How is everybody doing? Is your baby girl Bianca Belletta girls, guys? Yeah, I'm just coming back from my evening routine or school routine, like school runs. Okay, the kids, they're upstairs and they are just enjoying their snacks. So I just decided to quickly come over here and steal this minute. Here is my down of my other sitting room here where we don't use. Okay, so guys, it's not easy. So as I was saying, guys, today I want to share with you my experience why I left some group, and that is just it. Okay, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for not subscribing? What are you waiting for? Yeah, guys, don't worry about the colors of the pillows. All these colored pillows supposed to be the one I have outside my where we normally take fresh air, evening gisting with hobby, where in the sometimes in the afternoon I do stream. You guys can remember. So the weather has changed and I need to bring them inside. That is why you are seeing all this colored pillow over here. And yeah, that is my babysitting things. Okay, sometimes we do come over here just to play. Okay, this is supposed to be sitting playroom / all together. Okay, I'm not yet to explain. One day I will do as I will just Astor. I will do Astor. I pray that very day my husband will be at home so that he can easily help me to vlog around and let me to hold the phone and so that we can explain it more better. In case you want me to do it, just say Bianca, do Astor. I will do Astor. Don't look at the brazier, don't look at the pants, don't look at the things that is flying around because my house is very big. So let me know can do it. Okay, I really need somebody to be helping me, like putting things in order 24 hours for my house to be okay and perfect 24 hours. Yeah. Okay, so grab your coffee, let's enjoy this gist together. My new content creator out there, please don't be in an haste to get any watch hour. Don't be in an haste. Okay, don't be in an haste, please. Anyhow you will get my English. Those of you that are be speaking pidgin, be speaking Bini, please, this is a sound warning to you guys. Stop it. My audience, they understand so well. Any of my video, you guys coming over to bully me, just be speaking pidgin English and we love that. No, I don't. All the people that I have, they are not all those. They are not all those. Okay, so I need to mix it together. Anyone anyone that I feel like speaking, I will go for it. Mostly when I'm hungry, any language that you guys coming out of my mouth, English language, Italian language, Yoruba language, Edo language, outside language, you guys should accept it from me. Okay, please, I beg of you in the name of God, stop it. I don't like it. Stop it. I don't match on people's privacy or their imperfection. I don't use it to always to latch on them or blush or blah blah blah. No, I don't do that. Stop. Okay, stop. I appreciate you being my subscribers. I appreciate many people. They can't take it. You guys should stop it, okay? Even if I'm laughing over it, it's getting too much. It's annoying, okay? So that is it, guys. Today's video is just for my my fellow young content creator, because me, I'm a young content creator. My phone is about to off. If I didn't plug it now, we'll lose this thing. Oh my God, the phone is on charger now. So as I was saying, sorry guys, sorry for that breaking transmission. Okay, so my fellow young content creator, please, I beg of you in the name of God, don't be in an haste to get any watch hour. Not at all. Don't be in an haste. Please, take your time. When I say take your time, try to have 5 or 6 phones in your house, like the one of your children. Go on silent live streaming in the night. Use your husband phone to watch yourself. Use your daughter, your son phone, even your television. Use it to watch yourself. Do you know why I'm saying this? Because whenever you let me go and join group to have my watch hour, believe me, oh God, the pressure is too much that you can't even take it. like the pressure of trying to watch sister A, sister B, sister this, sister this, sister this. They will not become your tongue. They will not be on your tongue to watch other people. Don't be in an haste. Don't rush. Please don't rush. Anyone you want to, anyone that will need to watch hour, try to have many funds that you will use to support yourself. Not only that, also try to support other people. They will come to support you. You understand? But if you have great people that you can ask of help, like some of your friends, some of us, your friends, yes, your lady friends, your girlfriends, your neighbors, you know, your brothers, your sister, tell them, ask them, please, can you help me out of my watch hour? In the night, I'll be going on silent live streaming. I want you to help me with your phone. They will dedicate their phone for you. So I'm back again. Okay, all these kids, it's not easy. So try to have 1 or 2 phones that you would be using to support yourself. I hope you guys are getting in. Like some phones, there are some phones you can easily use to, you know, support yourself with different image. But try as much as possible. Ask for help from your friends, your lady friend. Tell them, night I'll be going on live stream. They will come and support you. There is a group. When I lost my channel, a lady sent it to me. I click it. Immediately I was in a group. You need to see messages. Hey, Jesus. You need to see how many messages. The message was just coming up. Oh, Jesus. My head was just blowing me so. My hair was just sneezing. That was so bad. I couldn't. I was like, no, I can't take it. 24 hours. I couldn't. I run out of that group. 24 hours. Less than 24 hours. I run out of that subscribers, watch hour all over. They do subscribers, they do watch hour. And I run out of the group. Less than 24 hours. What is 24 hours? What is 24 hours? 10 hours. I don't disappear. 10 hours. I'm out of the group. The pressure was too much. That is why I don't like group. The people that are calling me, even the one that are monetized, in case you can create a group, please. I cannot. You know why? I don't like things that are, you know, they will put me in pressure, things that will make me uncomfortable, things that will make me to be on anxieties, things that will make me to be anxious, things that will make me to be, you know, my ear to be sneezing. I can take it. I can take it. That is why if I have 100 views, I appreciate 200, I appreciate 300, I appreciate 400, 500, 600, 1000. Hey! Celebrity. I hope you are getting it. Yeah, once I eat 1K, we just need that and pray for all of them. God in heaven will bless you all. Both the good one, both the bad one. God will bless you all. That is it. So guys, joining group or me creating group so that we will have a place where we can be running each other videos, running each other advert. It's not easy. If you join my membership, I will help you, like support you to be monetized, support you also to run your playlist. There are some people that have not been monetized. I've run all their playlists. There's nothing to run, even 2 accounts to run their playlist. Except I need to use another account now to be running their playlist. How you guys are getting it? In case you have my membership, you need some subscribers, you want to hit 1K, let me know. I will give you some numbers. Okay, just few numbers. Okay. So as I was saying, don't go and join group because the pressure is too much. But if you can take the pressure, hallelujah, go and join, go and join, go and join. But if you know you can't take things that will make you to be anxious, things that will make you to be your ear to be sneezing, things that will make you, you know, uncomfortable, or to stress your marriage, or to stress your children, to stress your life. If you know you can't take it, don't go. But if you can take it, just go. Just go and join any group. But me, I can create a group. If you want me to help you to run your playlist, let me know. I will do that for you. I will run your playlist. There are many people meditation. I will run your playlist, send it to you. If you need proof, I will give you proof. But that time of proof, if you believe me that I'm running it, I will just leave it in the night. I will, once it's 8 o'clock, I will just set on my phone, run it. Then next morning by 8 o'clock or 7 o'clock or 10 o'clock, once I'm back from my morning routine, everything is done, everything is off. That is it. That is it. You don't need to stress yourself. Try to have 5 or 6 phones, your children's phone. During the night, use it to support yourself. Use it to run your own self. Create different email, like sign in with another email. Use your television to watch yourself, to run your playlist. Create a playlist, run it, 24 hours playlist. Use your phone, use your children's phone to run it at night. It will count for you very well without joining any group. You understand? Me creating group, I can't take it. There is a group that I joined because of membership. The pressure in it, I'm premiering, the next minute I'm premiering, the next minute I was like, this group is like, I will go. The next minute you see them, they dissolve, the person who created it, two of them, or they were like, oh, they dissolve it. I was like, thank God, because me, I was almost like fainting. My ear, I've already started, sneezing. I don't like things like that. When my heart will be beating fast, when I'll be feeling guilty, I don't like it. I don't like it, guys. Like me, and little things will just make me to be, anxious. I will just be nervous. Sometimes I just want to scream. I'm already nervous. Most of us, we are not, good in this part of it. So, guys, whatever you are doing, just try to, support other people. They will support you. Not only that, if you can join people membership, they will run it. But if you can't join membership, have 5 accounts, 6 accounts to support yourself. Ask for help from your loved ones. They will come over, help you to run your playlist, help you to watch your video. That is just it. You don't need to be in 100, 200 midst of people to run your playlist. It's stressful. Me, I can't take it. Okay, I hope I answer your question. Many people that do send me even the cause. I hope you get it, because I can't take it. I'm saying it loud. Some people, when they call you, they will be thinking, oh, she don't want me to be monetized. Once you are monetized, you are earning 2 cents, 3 cents, 80 cents, 90 cents, 1 euro, 2 euro. Even the time you spend on group, you will regret it. I've been there. That is why I'm speaking out of experience. I'm speaking out of experience. I hope you guys are getting it. So that is just it. I received some comment concerning breastfeeding, I can't just show everything. There is a comment I received. I can't just show everything. I'm sorry. You were waiting for me to, maybe next time we'll try. But my husband was like, no, either you put stickers or you put black things on the front of your boobies. So that is why I use those emojis. I use those emojis to cover it up, So that is just it. I appreciate all the love, the people that are subscribed to me. I use this opportunity to appreciate all the Golden family. You guys are amazing. You guys are loved. The prayer, the call, the messaging, silence, don't talk. I love you all. Thank you so much. Thank you for believing on me. Even when I super chat, they were like, why did you super chat? Why did you super chat? I just explained to them. It was a message for them to get the message like, hey lady, enough is enough. Enough is enough, please. Enough is enough. I'm a positive person. That is just it. I love who I want to love. Your enemy cannot be my enemy, and that was just it. The Golden family, they just get the way la. That is just it. We understand. Okay, we love you. And that is just it. I appreciate all the Golden family. I stand for now. My mommy, that golden fish. I love you, mommy. Much love to you. Who not go close to you, if you know you finish. That kind of thing. Be money where everybody goes, still love in infinity. No. If you still the love still here today, it still here, but it still remain in my heart. That kind of thing. Yeah. I'm just maybe 20 years to come on him. So that is just it. That is the kind of person I am. If I love you, I love you. If I still move on, still move on. But for now, I just love you, mommy. Okay? Keep being you. Golden family, I appreciate all my membership channel. You guys know that. You guys rock. I love every one of you. You guys are amazing. All my subscribers, all the subscribers. Very soon we'll celebrate some numbers. We'll celebrate 2K subscribers. I love you all. May God in heaven bless you all. Sisters, brothers, auntie, all the mommies that will be calling me. I love you. You guys can see that I'm fine now. I'm smiling. I'm okay. Creating my content every day. I love you. Okay? This is your baby girl. Your latest soft baby. BBG. Bianca Peleta girls. So guys, I'll bring this video to an end because I don't have space any longer. I don't want the video to be boring, So this is my experience why I don't create group, and the reason why I do advise people not to join group, because the pressure is too much. Once you are monetized, you find it, oh my God, I waste my time. I was just stressing, almost kill myself, or almost lose my marriage because of YouTube. At the same time, I'm earning nothing. So that is just it. I don't want you to rush. Take it easy. Have some phone, your children's phone. Use it to watch yourself. Use it to run your playlist at night when your kids they are sleeping. That is how Cynthia Prettyja, Daisy Dasta, that is how they supported me. They will collect the kids' phone at night. They will use it to support me. Either monetize in just less than 2 weeks. 2 weeks or less than, So that was just it. Have people call them, beg them, please, my lady, please. Today I'll be going on silent live stream. You come and support me with your children phone, with your phone at 9. Just leave it there. Allow it to, to be running for me. The person will do it for you. So that is it. I hope you enjoy this gist of this group, because they stress too much. Me, I'm not fit sick, and I question why not they join, why not they do. It's not that I'm forming too much. It's not that I'm greedy. It's not that I'm a bad person. I don't want it to be monetized. No, guys, if you know, I'm still saying it. Like where I live, they have internet to have a just 2G, which is low. I will post picture from morning to evening. The picture will still be on hair. Okay, so that is why I decide to be spending a lot, like using data that is more faster. We don't have fibra here. We don't have fibra, but I decide to be spending a lot times many times of yeah. I just pray one day, once they try to fix the fibra, I will be the most happiest person on earth. Like spending 19 euros, having 24 hours. Than me now I'm spending 90 euros to just I support channel. But I love it. Whenever I post smile on people's face, they're happy. That gives me joy. That makes me to feel, oh, I'm loved. Huh? Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate every one of you. May God in heaven bless you and grant you heart desire. Those looking for watch hour, don't worry. God will bless you. God will bless you. Quick watch hour. And those looking for subscribers, make sure you go for a place whereby you can have the good people that will support you for real. Not those ones that will support you and the next day they are no longer. Meet people that are, that are really nice, that are really willing to support. Don't go and connect with the wrong people. Connect with the right people. I know it's not easy to know the right people. I know it's not easy, but God will help all of us. Now bye. Bye everybody. I love you. Thank you. It's your baby girl Bianca, the little girls. Bye.